Welcome! Today we're going to show you how to download and install Bluetooth drivers on your Windows PC or laptop on any version of Windows. So the first thing you need to do is to check if your Windows is 64 or 32-bit. So we need to open this PC. After that, we need to right click on this PC and hit on Show More Options on Windows 11. Also, you need to hit on Properties. So from here you can see if you have 64-bit or 32 operating system. So I have the 64-bit. After that you can close this window and go to your browser. So now from the browser you need to search for Intel Bluetooth drivers. As see from here, here's the site that you need to click. Click on it. And now you will see the latest version. You need to click on download as see from here. Now you need to hit I accept the terms. And then wait for the installation to finish. As see from here, I have the download. Then you need to open it, so just click on the download after it has finished. Hit yes for the Windows prompt, and now the installation file will open. So you need to hit on yes, and hit next. Hit next again. Hit I accept the terms, and then hit next. From here you can choose whatever you want. I will choose a complete installation, as see from here. Hit install. Now you need to hit on finish. So now you must restart your PC, as see from here. You can just hit yes, or you can hit no and then restart your PC manually. So after that you can use your Bluetooth drivers as you need, and everything will work with you. So don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.